dotcomisforlosers again. Today, we're going to do something different. We're going to be playing Plumbing Instruments. This is a didgeridoo-ish. This is a rainish stick. And we own, so we're going to play a song we composed.
But don't worry about the jumanji noises coming from her closet. It's kind of freaking us out.
Just a bit.
Trying to distract ourselves from that.
This might scare away jumanji.
They're a plumbing instrument.
The noises are stopping. Never mind.
I have to hold the end because someone broke it. Someone named Andrea. So I have to like...
It doesn't know me. I have to take a new version of it.